Hey all, welcome to day 2 of our 40 days of AWS. Today we are going to learn how to create users groups and enable MFA login for the users. And let's get started. So to do this, we have to click on services there, and we have to select appropriate services for that, which is IAM. Okay, so I'll show you. So once we go to IAM, there you see we don't have any users created yet. So what we are going to do is we'll create users. So for that, click on users and then click create user. You have to give a user name. Once you give the name, I'm just giving the demo as a name for that learning purpose. And then this is the next checkbox where we're gonna give user permission to log into that AWS console. Okay, so you just need to click on this. Okay. And it will ask you to whether you create a IAM user or and then it is asking for a password. Either you can create an automatic password or custom password. For this purpose I am giving him a custom password here. Okay. Now here we'll get functionality to create a groups as well, but we gonna create groups once we create a user. So I'm gonna show you how to create user as well, but for now we're going to attach a policies to this user. So for now just giving you the full access to the user, giving an administrator access. So we'll create a separate video for how to create policies and inline policy and all that. Okay. Rules and everything we're gonna cover. So you can select whatever the services you are. If you have to select different services, you can select different permissions. But for now, I'm just giving administration access. Okay. Now here you can see that user details, username and the password required, and then user has permission to IAM change password and administration access, which we have given. Okay. Next is create user. Okay. So this is the detail you get for that user. You can share that link to that user, which is to log in into the console. So user can making use of this console, they can log in into it. So we're gonna see how user can log in that. Okay. So we use that link. Okay. Once you go to that link, it will give you this prompt to log into AWS account. So you can give your IAM username here. And enter password. Once you enter password, click on sign in. You get the prompt to change your password for the very first time when you log in using that custom password provided to you by your AWS administrator. You have to reset your password and make sure you are having a good strong password. Confirm password change. Once you click on confirm password change, you will get that AWS console homepage, and this is how you can log into AWS account of yours. And since you have administrator access, so you are able to see all that applications running on the front page, and you are getting access to all the applications. Let's suppose you want to test that, so you can go to EC2 instance. You can see you have access to all that services being on the console page of EC2 as well. Okay. And you are in Mumbai region, so if you want to change Mumbai to any other region, you can change. And for now we are signing it out, and I'll show you how to log back in, and then we'll create a groups using our root user account. Okay, so I'm just signing it with my root account. Okay. So we are going back to our IAM service, and we are going to create a group now and add this user to the group. Okay, so we click on user group, and I'll click on create group. Here we have to give a name to the group. We'll give a demo. Be happy as a group, and then we are going to select the user. Since we have only one user, so we're gonna select that, and we are giving the permissions to the group. So whosoever a member of this group will get those permissions, and group have more privilege than that user's permission. So if your group have more permission than the user, so user automatically will have those permissions which is assigned to group. Okay. You can see we have a group created, and you can see there is one user which we just selected and added. You can see that users here as well. This is that group was already been there or created while working on it, but yeah. So this is our main demo group which we have created. So you can see the permissions, the permission which is assigned, we have assigned while creating group, it is there. Okay, this is access advisor, will let you know what kind of access you can give, and it will advise on your base of that. But yeah, that's all what we have in how to create our groups, okay, for the users. If you click on user group, you can see now we're gonna learn how to create MFA for that user, how to enable MFA. So to enable MFA, you have to go to user and click enable MFA, and then give your device a name, like whatever that device you are going to use, but just give a name. So we are creating a device named demo MFA to manage, and then there is a 3 option to create. So we're gonna select authenticator app. Okay. So since if you have any authenticator app installed on that, you can select those app. But if you want to see what are the different list of that, you can click on see a list of compatible applications, and you can see all the list of your applications which is compatible to Google Authenticator, right? Okay, we will go to that link. Okay, yeah, so this is our multi-factor authentication for IAM. You can see that what are the available methods. Okay, so virtual authenticator apps, hardware tokens. So we have different ones. So for in virtual authenticator app, you will see we have these apps available. You can see there's a other methods as well for hardware token and everything right there. So yeah, for now we are going to use Google Authenticator, since I have Authenticator installed. So I click on scan QR code, and I'll scan QR code using my Google Authenticator app which is installed in my mobile. Okay. So once I scan it, it gives me MFA code, so I have to enter 2 consecutive MFA code here to enable my device. So this is the first. Okay. So it's there for 30 seconds. So for after entering first code, you have to wait for a few seconds to be completed. So once you're done, it will give you a second code after 30 seconds, and you have to write down that second code. Okay. Yeah. Once you're done writing that, just click on add MFA, and you can see your MFA is enabled. Okay. Now when you log in using your to this account using your username and password, you will see MFA there. Okay, but yeah, here also you can see this MFA is added. Okay, and you can see this identifier, you have your device name as well. Okay, so yeah, to test it out how to log in using MFA, we're gonna sign out to this account, and I'll log back in using our IAM user. Okay, for that you can select an IAM user and pass on your 12-digit account number here. So yeah, now you have to enter your password, click on sign in. So yeah, you can see it is asking for MFA code here. So you go to your Google Authenticator app and you will get that MFA code there. Okay, so once you got that MFA code, just enter here and then click on submit. Once you click on submit, it will lands you on this page. You can see that you are able to log into your console. So the benefit of MFA code is even if your password is breached, you have another level of security to your AWS account. Your account will ask for your MFA code when you are going to log in. Okay. Yeah, we'll go to IAM user here. We'll see that this user is there, and if you click on that, you will see MFA is there. Okay, and even if you're on the top, you can see you have MFA enabled for your account, right? So yeah, if you click on here, you will see that all the details of the user here in this page. Okay, now after MFA, we're gonna learn how to create a access key and secret key for the users. Okay, so for that you have to click on user. You will go and see all that properties of that user. In that properties, if you go to security credentials, you will see all the way you can log in into user using your credentials. But for there, we're gonna log in using AWS access key. To select that and just click on the use case. So for us, we gonna select command line interface, okay, but there are many. So just select that and just give you the confirmation, okay, that you understand how to process with that key, and then you click on next, and then you just give the description tag value here, so to your access key, if you wish to give whatever the name you want to give for remember, okay. And then yeah, once you click on there, you will get your access key and secret key. You can copy your secret key from here, access key from here anytime, okay. So yeah, that's this key we gonna use when we are going to log in using AWS CLI or from any other services, like from anywhere you want to log in using your programmatic way. You're gonna learn that. Earlier it was called programmatic access key, and now we are getting it with that access key here. So just click on done, you will download there, okay. So yeah, if you go back to your security credential and scroll down, you will see your access key is there, and you have you can see my MFA is enabled. You can see that your access key is here, okay. So yeah, that's all for today in day 2 of our 40 day of AWS class team, and I must say thanks for watching this and thanks for being with me. Next class we're gonna learn how to use of this AWS CLI, and we're gonna learn policies and roles as well. Thank you.